Hi Crafty Peeps, Enis here from Paper Crafting with Enis, and I'm on today with something a little bit different. I am packaging up and sending a little bit of goodies to my mom, who lives far, far, far away from me out of state. I'm in the northern USA, she's in the southern USA, and my mom is going to be 82 next month. So I am sending her a little package of Valentine goodies. My mom actually is a card maker. She loves to make cards. So I'm going to include in here a few things for her to use in her card making, especially for the spring. So I just thought I'd take you along with me as I package up the goodies for her. So I've got my little box ready here with a little bit of shred and my Valentine paper here. And I am gifting her a pair of the socks from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to tuck those in there. And let's see, of course I have my Valentine card that I featured in a video earlier this week that I'm going to be giving to her. So I'm going to tuck that in there. And I did feature a couple videos back this Pokey tool and keychain that I made using beads from BEEBEECRAFT. I will post the links to those videos in the description box down below. So I'm going to give her one of those because, by the way, she does actually have a Cricut Explorer, and she also has a mini die cutting machine that she uses to make die cuts for her projects. So I'm going to tuck that down in there along with the keychain. And then I bagged up for her in this cute little goodie bag. I've got some Valentine ornaments. They're little wooden ones. I think I've showed these in some hauls before. I think she'll really like those. So I'm going to tuck those in for her. I'm going to really be packing this stuff in here, let me tell you. Actually, I'm going to put that there. Then I have a little bag here, a little pink bag. She loves pink. She loves lavender. And this has ephemera in it from Good Vibes. I think these would be perfect for her card making. And then I've just got one of these little heart picks I want to put in here. So I'm going to tuck that down in there. And a fortune cookie from the Dollar Tree. And then Carrie from Carrie's Craft gifted me a whole package of these vintage stickers here. I did recently do a video. Actually, at this point, I haven't released that video yet, but I did a bunch of Valentines where I used these. And I'm gifting my mom a few extras. And then I've just got a little clothespin with a heart on it there for her. Let's see if I can tuck that down in there. And then I've got this little zipper pouch. And at this point, the zipper pouch is empty. And I did pick up a whole bunch of these on Temu for Valentine's Day gifting. And what I'm going to put in there are these cute little pink sunglasses. I also got a whole bunch of these on Temu. And then I just blinged them up with a bunch of little jemmies there. So that's the package that I'm going to be sending to my mom. I think she'll love everything. The jemmies aren't quite dry on here yet, so I can't close the box up. So I'm going to put that aside. But those are going to go inside of this little bag here. So that's it. That's my fun little package I'm putting together for my mom for Valentine's Day. And I'm going to have to think of something really fun to send her for her birthday. She's still moving around, doing really good, has all of her faculties, and she just loves to sit and do her card making. And matter of fact, she sent me a Valentine's card, which I received yesterday. So that's all I have for you today, Crafty Peeps. Hope you enjoyed this little package I'm putting together, and I'll catch you on the next one. See you later. Bye.